We're back here at the parade home, and we've completed our framing. At this point, we're in rough-in, so we've got electrical, mechanical, and plumbing all being roughed in.
My name is Tina Steele. I am with Element Design Build. I'm a native here in Treasure Valley. I have been in the building and real estate market for 23 years, and I am excited to be a part of Element. They bring a different quality to our valley that we haven't seen before.
From an Element perspective, we really do want to make it a great experience for obviously our clients, but also all of our trade partners. And our trade partners on this project have been fantastic. They were involved in the planning process as well, which is another thing that we try to do so that the trades coming into it, they know exactly what they're going to be doing, and that allows them to be efficient and to have a successful job as well.
We really work on making sure that our subcontractors are comfortable and happy. We don't want them overstepping each other, so there is a timeline of when each group comes in and how much time that they've requested that they have to finish the home and how much time that we've kind of asked them to finish the home.
With a modern design and flat roof, in terms of building, it is the most challenging and the least forgiving. So with that, from a rough-in standpoint, there's a lot of forethought that has to go into that because you don't have a lot of space.
We've got to meet certain deadlines and criteria in order to bring a successful product into the public. We bring in our electricians, our plumbers, and our HVAC group. We also bring in any central vacuum that we're doing, any low volt that we're doing, any other needs that we need inside of the walls before we close them up.
Talked about the differences in the details. One of the things for us on all of our plumbing, I think we use Worsbo product. Fittings are outside diameter, not inside diameter, and with Worsbo it's inside diameter, and so not only does it have better temperature ratings for hot and cold both, but it also has better flow rates because of inside diameters versus outside diameters. The flow rate and the way that all of your fixtures function at the end of a job, it all matters. We've also got some home automation going into this home. We also have some really cool casework stuff happening. So with cabinetry and floating shelves and panels, all of those things have been obviously planned ahead of time. And now in the rough is where, we got to make sure that all those are land in the right place. So that way when we're on the finish side, that everything is in the proper location and will function. There is quite a bit of planning that goes into, and from a design standpoint, the pre-planning of that is critical to the success of the project, particularly when you're working within a tight time frame. And so that's just another one of those things that as you go through the home, you'll see and understand that to pull that off and have it actually seamless and work properly, it requires a lot of attention to the detail and forethought before you're in the finishes.
Great group of guys that we've worked with. They've all been very responsive, understanding the quality of work that we want done for this parade home, and been very timely with their work. So that's been really exciting to work with these guys.
It's been great working with our trades here. We're grateful for their participation on the front end and in the planning processes, and then definitely had some weather challenges late in the season this year, and so we've had days of weather where we couldn't have work happening, and from a scheduling standpoint they ended up being out here at the same time and overlapping a little bit, and everyone's done a great job working together and working towards the finished goal.
So we've had all of our subcontractors in. We have passed the various inspections that are required. So all those main subs, again, have to pass their own inspections. Plumbers have passed, HVAC has passed, electrical has passed as well. So we're excited to move on to the next phase, which is insulation and then sheetrock.